I'm often asked by clients if an employee comes in the morning claiming that they were injured during off hours doing something at home and they're asking for light duties, what should they do? Simple response: tell them they must go see their own physician and get a release to work with whatever restricted duty is being recommended. This is a situation where no good deed goes unpunished. If you allow that employee to come on site and do any work for you while they already have an injury, anything that happens to further that injury, any potential future pain that comes from that injury, can then be attributed to the work that they did for you and can be added to a workers' comp claim that then goes against you. Now, this is your business, and you're able to do whatever you want to do in your business, so we're not telling you what you can or cannot do. We are telling you best practices. Never allow an injured employee on your premises, on your work time, unless you have a release from their physician with restricted duty, and then definitely follow that restriction. Otherwise, you are setting yourself up for a potential workers' comp claim.